The Twin Oaks Warehouse Management System is an automated solution for the warehouse, including waiving orders, picking, packing, shipping, inventory control, dock control, and quality control. The system is capable of integrating with any ERP or back office system with real-time data communication. Additionally, the system integrates with warehouse control systems such as PLCs, conveyors, diverters, inline dimensioners, and scales to provide sophisticated package routing and automation. The Twin Oaks WMS integrates with all major shipping carriers for fast, efficient shipping. The Twin Oaks WMS integrates with your back-end ERP system, providing live integration, making it easy to follow order continuity. Integration with material handling equipment provides efficient and accurate carton handling. Through interfaces with carriers, address validation and rate shopping enables you to maintain a high level of customer satisfaction. The Twin Oaks WMS integrates with laser dimensioners and scales, providing accurate carton size and weight. Using inline diverters, packages can be routed for maximum efficiency. Automatic interfacing with carriers provides for fast package handling at your shipping station. The Twin Oaks WMS provides improved order management, meeting internal service levels for consumer, wholesale, and key channels. The Twin Oaks WMS provides you with the necessary tools to effectively manage your picking workload and maximize output. Through integration with the latest technology, the Twin Oaks WMS can greatly enhance the speed, accuracy, and efficiency of your picking operation. Providing guided picking using both voice commands with visual cues such as pick location and item images, pickers can be shown where an item resides, reducing potential errors. The Twin Oaks WMS reduces picking errors, handles restocks, and provides multiple picking methods while integrating with multiple devices. Multiple packing efficiencies are provided, such as customized packing lists, quality control checklists, gift messages, and automatic return labels. These features help you provide a superior customer experience. Returns processing features include integrated return labels, integration with automatic return software, as well as integration with your back-end ERP, providing methods to reduce labor time and associated costs, allowing for faster returns processing. The Twin Oaks WMS provides all the necessary real-time data needed to provide employee feedback on performance while providing increased quality and employee satisfaction. The Twin Oaks WMS provides multiple shipping models, allowing you to compare multiple carriers and negotiate better rates. A current Twin Oaks WMS customer recently conducted a case study which led to the following results. Since installing the Twin Oaks WMS, they have realized a ShipStation processing improvement of 500%, and inventory accuracy has improved by 68%. Additional improvements include average days to ship improving by 378%. Measured picking improvements include average line picks per hour increased by 174%. Picking accuracy climbed to over 99%, and expedited order turnaround is now less than 4 hours. Through the use of comparative models, carriers were changed, resulting in an annual savings in shipping fees of over $100,000. Integrations with the latest technologies allows us to offer the most advanced functionality possible. Twin Oaks WMS integrates with Fetch autonomous mobile robots, providing the ability to reduce employee wasted labor, adding additional efficiency to your facility. Integration with Amazon Alexa provides an agile method of answering common critical questions, allowing you to keep abreast of developments within your facility.
Alexa, open WMS.
Welcome back. What would you like to know?
How many lines have we picked today?
14,285 lines today. Do you have another question?
Which picker picked the most lines today?
Picker Granick picked the most today with 1,068 lines. Do you have another question?
How many orders have we shipped today?
3,163 orders shipped today. Do you have another question?
I need an order status for NL524375.
That order shipped on December 19th, 2019. Do you have another question?
What are the tracking numbers for that order?
The tracking number for order NL524375 is 1Z863V8402008163336. Do you have another question?
Email that tracking number to me at admin@twinoakstech.com.
Your email has been sent. Do you have another question?
Send robot to restock location PD19A7.
Sending robot to PD19A7. Do you have another question?
Alexa, stop.
Goodbye for now.
The Twin Oaks WMS provides the following functionality: waiving customer orders, multiple methods of order picking including rush, zone, cart, group, and mini pick aisle, packing orders, value-added services for automated customer carton labeling and ticketing, automated carton dimension and weights, integrated carrier shipping, dock control, LTL truckload management, outbound and inbound quality control, inventory control, real-time statistics with a web portal for monitoring performance and the ability to easily customize and extend the solution for additional requirements. The Twin Oaks WMS is the simple software solution to automate all of your warehouse functions.